people ask me. And I ask myself, this son of Adam and Eve, or daughter of Adam and Eve, why are you asking these kind of questions? Like, do you even think about me? Like, did you even think at all before you asked me? And I was talking to my friends over the weekend, and they were telling me some unfortunate questions that people have asked. They have not only asked once, they've asked twice, and they never stop asking. So if you continue to live your life thinking people will not ask you some of these questions, you are joking. So I decided that today I'm going to talk about some annoying questions people ask women. My name is Dr. Sonny, and this is Women's World. I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. As I was saying earlier, over the weekend, I was hanging out with a couple of friends, and we're talking about gist, just random gist. And someone starts, the other day, I was at the office, and someone was saying that because I don't have kids, what am I using my money for? See, let's be serious. There are so many questions that people ask. You are in the office with your colleague, and you are leaving by 5 p.m. Someone just asked you, why are you going by 5 p.m.? It's not as if you have a husband now. Or you celebrate your 25th birthday, and someone asks you, you're already 25, oh, what are you waiting for? See, wait, what if you now celebrate your 30th or your 35th birthday, and someone asks you, you're 30 now, you're 35 now, what are you waiting for? Your time is going, oh. My time will never go. Or, when you now have a child, no, wait, you now get married, they ask you, what are you waiting for? Why you never born? For those of you that don't speak pidgin, why don't you have a child yet? See, God does it for you. You have one child. They will ask you, only one child? Why? What is wrong with you? Don't you know that one child, there's no difference between person that has one child and person that has 2 children and person that has no child? And then you say, okay, let me go and born another one. You give birth to another one. And let's say you now have 2 girls. They're like, a girl again. And they tell you, you better give birth to a boy for your husband. You know that these men, they like to have their own junior. As if me, I don't want to have my own junior. See, you now have 2 children. You go out to another one there, and they ask you, why are you here alone? Where is your child? Please. When they give birth to me, did they add pikin on top of it? You know? Or what is, they see child, they see mother, they see child. Yoruba people will say, Ewone kari yakaromo. I mean, can't I chill? Oh wait, you upload it on your Insta story, and they tell you, what are you doing outside this late, hanging out with your friends? Who is taking care of your children? I beg, now only me born this pikin. Am I the only parent? See, people never stop asking you questions. See, till you die, they will continue to ask you these questions. So tell me, what kind of annoying questions do you hate? There's one that I particularly do not like, that actually infuriates me. They tell you, okay, so when are your children going to have their own children? Haba. If you feel like you can relate, be sure to follow me at Dr. Sonny. Send me a message via DMs, or you can just drop it in the comments. I'll be sure to post it on my Insta stories. You can also follow our social media handles. They are scrolling right there. I hope you enjoyed today's topic. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.